All right, so I'm going to show you how this program runs, just really simply. So let's log in here, and I'll just go in, and so obviously these are some of my accounts that I have going here, but I'm going to add an account to manage. So we'll take one that I just actually picked up and make some changes to it, so you can see that I'm making the changes right through the account. So let me find it. It's right here. Okay, I'm going to sync it, even though I might even already have it synced. And I'm going to come into my Gmb locations. I'm going to find it, and I believe it's J&J Painters that we stole. So let's take a look here. Where are you? There it is, J&J Painters. Okay, so when you come in, this is the profile. You can see all the details. You can see it has no media. This is where you can come in and put the media in. I'll show you that in a second. Shows you all the stuff that you need if you do a GeoGrid. Some of the history will pop up here. So you can come in here and just click Edit, and we're just going to change the name. We'll change it to J&J Towing Co. and Roadside Service. And I know you say change the category first. We'll change the name. Let's see, and then OK, and then we'll come over here. We're logged into the dashboard Gmb. You'll see that the changes are coming right here. So painter and decorator, we're going to have to change that in a second. What else can I show you? So you can come in here and do your description. You do your phone number. You can do your website. Change your hours, your category. Obviously, we're going to change that to a towing service here after this gets approved. There we go. And then we'll come into the category. Where are we? And towing, and then save that. And we'll come here. Towing service under review. And you can change the phone number, everything that you would change in all the other softwares that you're using. Okay, and then so let's see if that gets approved as I enjoy my drink. Let's see here. Bang. Okay, so we're good. Towing service. We get our keywords in there. I can come in here and change the phone number and everything. I'll do that later. Kind of go in because I don't have any images to really put up this one. I don't have a GeoGrid yet, so I'll show you with one of our other ones that I have a GeoGrid pulled for. Let's see. I'll actually do this one here because I think I have a GeoGrid pulled for them. I do. So you can see this is the GeoGrid that I pulled. I just got this one here. You can see it's kind of a clusterfuck. So let's add some photos. You can see I already have some here. Okay, so you can see I've already put some in. I just put those in today, I think. So let's go look at our lead gens. And let's go look for our, where are we? Let's just use this one here. So I'll use this picture. Okay, and you can see that these ones are all the ones that have been posted. That one's not. It says post. So it kind of keeps your gallery here so you can see which ones you need to post. You post it, and then you can fill it with the same kind of thing that Local Viking does. But one of the cool things about here is that we're going to put it here that's going to show the keyword here that you searched, but it allows you to kind of pick the longitude and latitude that you want. So if you're kind of ranking outside, for example, like number 14, I'll pick that one. Here's where you can put your nap. We're just going to leave it out for this. But same kind of thing. You get all the data that you want to plug in. And you post it, and then bang, it's in there. So then you can see in your posted media all the different photos that we have posted. Yeah, so same thing. You get all of the same type of stuff that you would get at a local Viking. And yeah, your geogrids are all here. You can see the different ones that I have. So you can see this one's a little different. And you can do the same thing. You can click on each number and see how everyone's ranking in each area. Same thing. You just go in and you can click any one of these and come in here and see how everyone else is ranking. So anyways, as for API access, this is pretty simple to make changes. We can make obviously this is brand new, so there's going to be a million things that we're changing about it, but you can see it's pretty basic and does exactly what you need it to do and whoever that you're getting on to do it. So let me know what you think.